Hi, my name is Ann-Sophie Gagnon and I am 18 years old. I have been studying social sciences for 1 year, but next semester I will study nursing care. In my program, I will learn about families and society, human body, general medicine, health and society, psychology of the child, mental health, and ethics. To make it short, nursing support and personal care workers provide assistance, support, and direct care to patients in a variety of health, welfare, and community settings. That's why this website is important, because it can correct your mistakes and help you to discuss with English people. It's so important to have a good pronunciation in this field of study, because patients need to understand you for their own safety. Furthermore, I will show you how virtual writing tutor works. First, you need to write down virtual writing tutor in the address bar and click enter. Your page will appear. Under the title, you can see the navigation menu. For example, if you click on the button About, you will learn the history of the website. Then, you need to go back on the first page. On the top of the left corner of the screen, you can see the back arrow. If you click on it, you will get back to the previous page. According to me, check spelling and check grammar are the most important buttons. Now, I will show you a realistic example. I will write a sentence in the text area that you could use every day at work. For example, you have someone who talks only in English and you need to ask him this question. On a scale of 1 to 10, how is your cephalogia this morning? And you don't know how to say cephalogia, you will click on the button MP3 beside the text area and the answer will be downloaded.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how is your cephalalgia this morning?
Likewise, if you write this sentence with mistake in it, the website will correct you and explain you the type of mistake you did. Like, I will put another hi here. Now you can click on check grammar. And you will use the scroll bar here to go down on the page. When you will be done, you can click on the button clear and the sentence will disappear. Moreover, I learned on YouTube that if you click on terms, you can learn more about your field of study because it will show you some words related to it and it will give you some links. I will write nursing. And here you will find all your links. To conclude, this website is perfect for a person who wants to improve his English language because everything is in English, and if you need help, you can click on Contact Us. You will enter your information and submit it. When you're done, you will find on top of the right corner of the screen a red X button and it will close your page. Just here. Thank you.